Hello, plant enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of indoor greenery, but with a twist. Join us as we explore 7 plants you shouldn't have in your home. From toxic species to those that may not be the best fit for certain households, we're here to help you make informed choices about your indoor garden. Let's get started. Poison ivy is a notorious outdoor plant, and it should never find its way into your home. Even minimal contact with its leaves can result in severe skin irritation and itching due to the oil called urushiol. Keeping it out of your indoor space is crucial for your well-being. Oleander is a striking plant with vibrant flowers, but it's best avoided indoors. This beautiful but highly toxic plant can pose serious risks, especially to pets and children. All parts of the oleander contain potent toxins that can lead to severe poisoning if ingested or even with skin contact. While it may be visually appealing in outdoor landscapes, its dangers make it unsuitable for a safe indoor environment. While philodendron is a popular houseplant known for its attractive foliage, it's not ideal for homes with pets or young children. Ingesting its leaves can cause digestive issues and irritation due to oxalate crystals. Safety considerations make it advisable to choose other indoor plants. Chrysanthemums may be beloved for their vibrant blooms, but some individuals should think twice about keeping them indoors. For those with pollen allergies, these flowers can trigger symptoms, making them less suitable for homes where allergy sufferers reside. Consider alternative plants for a more comfortable living environment. The castor bean plant, with its striking appearance, hides a dangerous secret. Its seeds contain the deadly toxin ricin, which can be fatal if ingested. This plant's allure is overshadowed by its significant health risks, making it unsuitable for a safe home environment. The sago palm may appear exotic and appealing, but it's not the best choice for homes with pets or young children. Its seeds contain a highly toxic compound called cycasin, which, if ingested, can lead to severe poisoning, including liver and kidney damage. Safety concerns make it advisable to avoid this plant indoors. Dieffenbachia, commonly known as dumb cane, is visually striking with its lush leaves, but it's not an ideal choice for homes with curious pets or small children. The plant contains toxic compounds that, if ingested, can cause severe mouth and throat irritation, leading to speech difficulties, hence its nickname. Safety precautions are crucial when considering this plant indoors. And there you have it, folks, a list of 7 plants that might not be the best fit for your home. We hope this information helps you create a safe and enjoyable indoor garden. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our helpful tips and plant-related content. Happy planting!